Welcome back to Travel Tricks 101, fellow explorers. Today, we're taking you on a journey to the enchanting land of fire and ice. Yes, you guessed it right, we're heading to Iceland during the magical winter season. Iceland is a fantastic destination in winter. With fewer tourists, stunning winter landscapes, and the promise of witnessing the mesmerizing northern lights, it's an adventure like no other. But you might be wondering, what should I pack for a winter trip to Iceland? That's where we come in. Based on our extensive experiences exploring Iceland in winter, we've put together a comprehensive Iceland packing list to make sure you're well prepared for this incredible journey. Iceland's weather can be unpredictable year-round, so layering is the name of the game. It's all about being able to adapt to changing conditions and staying comfortable. Now, let's dive into the must-haves for your Iceland winter packing list. First up, clothing essentials. You'll want windproof gloves to protect your hands from the biting cold wind. Water-resistant ones are excellent if you plan to do snow-based activities. A windproof hat is a must-have to keep your head and ears warm. Make sure it fits snugly to prevent it from blowing away. Don't forget a warm scarf to keep your neck cozy. Wool scarves are great, as they help retain heat. Windproof and waterproof jacket is your best friend in Iceland. It will protect you from the elements, ensuring you stay dry and warm. Waterproof shoes or boots are essential, even if you're not planning to hike. You never know when you'll encounter snow or slush. For your base layers, opt for thermal base layers that wick moisture away from your skin. Merino wool base layers are fantastic, but there are synthetic options too. Mid-layers come next. Fleece sweaters are great to layer up with and keep warm. We recommend packing essentials like a towel, swimming clothes, and hand-toe warmers, especially if you plan on spending extended time outdoors. Next, let's talk about electronics. Of course, don't forget your smartphone. Iceland has a reliable cell network, and you can buy local SIM cards for your unlocked phone. In cold weather, smartphone batteries tend to drain quickly. Invest in an external power pack to keep your devices charged. Iceland has European-style 2-pin plugs, so you'll need travel adapter plugs if your devices use different sockets. Pack headphones for some relaxing music or movies during your downtime. It's a great way to unwind after a day of exploring. For the photography enthusiasts among us, here's your gear list. You'll want a reliable camera to capture the breathtaking Icelandic landscapes. If you plan to photograph the northern lights, a sturdy tripod is a must. It ensures stable, long-exposure shots. Stock up on memory cards and carry spare camera batteries. Cold weather can reduce battery life. Don't forget camera accessories like lens cleaning cloth, filters, and protective cases. Let's discuss luggage and backpacks. Choose a suitcase or backpack that suits your style and travel needs. Ensure it's spacious enough for your essentials. Finally, here are some miscellaneous items you shouldn't overlook. A reusable water bottle helps you save money and reduce plastic waste. Iceland's tap water is safe to drink. Guidebooks can be invaluable while you're on the road. Consider getting one to enhance your trip. Don't forget toiletries, like moisturizer, chapstick, and sunscreen, to protect your skin in Iceland's harsh winter conditions. If you're the journaling type, bring along a travel journal to document your Icelandic adventures. To help you stay organized, we've prepared a checklist of everything we've covered in this video. You can download it from the link in the video description. So, fellow travelers, make sure you're well prepared for your winter trip to Iceland with this comprehensive packing list. From the mesmerizing northern lights to the stunning Icelandic landscapes, your adventure awaits in the land of fire and ice. Safe travels, and may your Iceland journey be an unforgettable one.